Hi guys, just a bit of fun here. I put this wooden tractor together the other day from this kit. It is electric powered, got an electric motor in it, but one of my regulars, Mark Vollmeyer, commented about making it rubber band powered. I'm not quite sure whether he's just referring to the fact that it has a rubber band on it to connect it to the electric motor, but I thought I would do it anyway. So all I've done is attach the rubber band to the steering linkage as it happens, and we'll wrap that round the back axle there and see how far it will run. It might just sort of slop about a bit because there's nothing to stop the steering moving other than just the tension on there, but we'll give it a go, see how far we can get it to run. Don't expect it to go miles, so I'm just going to see if we can get it to go the length of the kitchen, which is about maybe 5 meters, if that. There's not much room for a rubber band anyway, we can only get that much on there. Or I suppose if I attached it to the front I could get a longer rubber band on it, but we'll go for that because that's what I got it attached to at the moment. Yeah, keeping it straight is going to be the problem. We'll have one more go, see if we can hit the camera with it. Well, that worked. Rubber band powered tractor, or digger, or front loader. I'll call it a tractor because I think it says tractor on there somewhere. That'll do. Bit of fun.